If someone was watching right now, tapos they feel na hindi pwedeng ganito lang ako, how do they start improving their status in life?
Doon na yung start ng journey actually. Pag napaisip ka na parang hindi ka dapat nasa situation na to. Ako, I've started all of my businesses from failure. Because if you're down there, parang wala ka ng choice. Parang survival mode ka na. That's what happened to me.
Ikaw yung founder and CEO ng
Correct.
Rise Up brand. What's the story behind Rise Up?
2017, November. It goes back to that year where I got terminated from my job. I was actually a full-time teacher back then sa isang college. And I was requesting coming the second semester of that year. I was requesting to be part-time teacher na lang sana. Into kasi ako marami akong gustong gawin. Lots of fitness. Gusto ko rin mag-start ng business. Ganun. Yung business was ganito rin actually, yung mga clothing. Yun nga lang, syempre, paano ko mag-start up ng business kung wala kang funds, di ba? So, ayoko sanang iwan yung work ko as a teacher para somehow, dun sa startup ng business, ganun pa rin akong pumapasok. Just like any other person na mag-start ng business, gusto nila, secured sila sa finances nila. Just in case na ma-fuck up yung start nilang business, ganun sila fallback. Which is normal. Parang, syempre, ayaw mo namang mag-ano ka lang dyan, mag-all out ko dyan, risk sa bayan. Kaya that time, meron na akong 2 years old. Yung panganay ko sa Encho.
Bakit ka tinanggap?
Yeah, because nag-request daw ako nag-request ako mag-part-time. So, ang sinabi sa akin ng chairperson namin nun, sino ba siya or sino ba ako para mag-request ng ganun? Na-offend daw sila sa request ko na yun. After I got terminated, I was already thinking of the next steps. Kung ano yung gagawin ko sa buhay. Ay, sa gano'n ba? Kasi wala eh. Tingin mo, ma'am, meron ba ha-hire sa'yo in the middle of the school year? Wala na. Kasi ongoing na yung school year, hindi na mag-hire ng teacher yan. Tapos, chinek ko kung ano yung situation ko. I was in the rock bottom. Wala akong matinong stream of income. Paano ko mabubuhay yung pamilya ko doon, di ba? I assessed kung nasan ako. I was in the rock bottom. And I have nowhere to go but to rise up.